Hey there beauties, Jaleesa here, and today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve my most defined twist out using some of my absolute favorite products from Camille Rose Naturals, Almond Dry Twisting Butter, and Curl Maker. And I'm also going to be using the Golden Hot Bonnet Hair Dryer from Sally Beauty. So if you want to learn how to get your twist out poppin', keep watching and I'll show you how. First, I'm going to start with clean hair, and to cleanse, I use the Camille Rose Natural Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse and the Moroccan Pear Conditioning Custard to condition. Before I even begin the styling process, I like to use an oil, so I'm using the Silk Elements Pure Sweet Almond Oil. And I'm just going to take a few drops and apply it to my entire head. I like to part before I style, so I'm using my Texture Pro detangling comb, and I'm just using the first tooth on the comb to part and section my hair. Now onto the fun part, which is the styling. So I'm going to be using the Almond Dry Twisting Butter from Camille Rose. You guys, this is my absolute favorite butter out there. It works so well for my hair and it smells good too. So I'm just going to use a little bit, kind of like a dime size for each section. And I'm going to finish sectioning this little part of my hair. So small to medium sections is what I like to do for my twists, just so I can keep my natural pattern but enhance it more. So I'm going to apply the Almond Dry Twisting Butter and distribute it through my hair. And then I'm going to take my Denman brush, and this is the 9-row Denman styling brush. You can find it at Sally Beauty as well. And I'm just going to detangle my hair and help distribute any remaining product. Now, on its own, the Almond Dry Twisting Butter does define my hair, but I like to follow it with Curl Maker for even more definition. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that, just like a little dime size, and it's very jelly. And I'm going to distribute that through my hair as well, through the section that I've started. And use my Denman just a little bit more, just to make sure all the tangles are out. And then I'm going to split that section into 2 parts and begin to twist. And for this style, I'm just doing a regular 2-strand twist, so I'm going to twist all the way down to the ends. Once I'm done with my first twist, I kind of know how big all of the sections need to be, and I can continue twisting the rest of my hair. A lot of people wonder how I have the patience to twist my entire head of hair, but honestly, I'm used to it at this point, and many times I'll just turn on a movie or listen to a new album, and then the next thing I know, I'm done. Once I'm all done, my hair needs to dry before I unravel it. But today I'm going to be using the Golden Hot Bonnet Dryer, and this is going to help me dry my hair quicker so I don't have to wait overnight. So this has a little tube, and the cord is tucked in there as well as the bonnet. And so I would open the bonnet, attach the tube to the bonnet, and then cover my entire head, almost like a sleeping bonnet. And then drawstring it so it doesn't become loose. And then I turn it on. And I can leave this on for about an hour, maybe an hour and a half. It depends on how long it takes for your hair to dry. It may be a little bit different for you. So just so I can keep up with the time, I'm going to set the timer on my iPhone. When I'm drying my hair, I can read a book, watch a movie, text, eat a snack. But today I'm going to be doing my makeup because I have somewhere to go and I don't want to waste any time. The Golden Hot Bonnet Dryer is one of my favorite products to use because I can multitask and I don't have to waste any time, and it also dries my hair quickly when I'm running short on time. Once my hour is up, I'll flip off the bonnet, slip off the bonnet, and make sure my hair is completely dry before moving on to unraveling the twists. When I'm untwisting my hair, I want to prevent frizz, so I'm going to be using the Silk Elements Glossing Polish. And I'm going to take a little bit of the polish, apply it to my fingertips, and then begin to unravel. The glossing polish not only helps me prevent frizz, but adds shine to my twists as well. Once I've unraveled each twist one time, I'll add a little bit more glossing polish to my fingertips and separate my twist just a little bit more. But you want to make sure that you don't unravel your twist too much or else they will frizz. A lot of naturals only like to unravel one time and then stop, but for me, unraveling just a little bit more and separating my twist helps me create more volume. Some days I'm in the mood to lay my edges and some days I'm not. Today is one of the days when I'm in the mood. So I'm going to be using the Silk Elements Mega Silk Extra Strength Edge Control. Silk Elements has 2 edge controls, and I will tell you guys, this one is amazing. Like, the hold is insane, no flaking at all, and my edges didn't go anywhere all day long. Alright beauties, I am all done with my super defined twist out using Camille Rose Naturals, Silk Elements, and my trusty golden hot bonnet dryer. I hope you found this video helpful and that you'll try some of these products for your next style. Remember, you can find them at Sally Beauty in-store and online. Don't forget to glow, and I'll see you beauties in my next video. Bye!